standing on a bridge now. The bridge is one, but it has got three names. It was constructed during the British regime. It's from 1919 to 1923. From 1923, means about 100 years from now, it was operational. And the governor of Bombay, means the then governor of the Bombay province in the British regime, the governor was Mr. Lloyd. Lloyd inaugurated this bridge. So initially it was known as Lloyd's Bridge. It was constructed by British garrison engineers. At the design part of it, it is a blend of Muslim and Christian style or European style. What is Muslim there? It's flowers on both sides of every arc. This is the typical Muslim feature. You may find it all over India, particularly northern and this portion of India. Two sides, flowers on two sides of every arc. That is a typical Muslim feature. And you are finding this open terrace-like structure on both sides of the bridge, because British wanted to use this bridge not only for the commuters but also as an evening spot for their officers and families. Of course, you have to take into consideration the then situation of the traffic and the then situation of this river. Now it is more or less a nalla, like a nalla, but at that time Khadakwasla dam was constructed just recently, 1885, and then only, 1865. But the condition of this river was much better, so they could use this as a. Of course, you have to consideration the then skyline of Pune also. So this was possible as an evening spot. Now today this is unimaginable. This is evening spot. It is so much traffic, so much disturbance, etc. But these lampposts were there, and oil lamps used to be posted on it. So for that the lampposts are there. Assembled. Now some repair has been done. Of course, the upper side. This is the modern thing. But these pillars are the same. It's the old one. So this is the history of this pool. Then for Pune, it was a new bridge. So Punekars also always call it as Nawa Pool. Nawa means new. And when corporation was incorporated in 1950, they again renamed this bridge as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Bridge. So bridge is one, but it has got three names. So this is something about the history of this bridge. It was the second bridge in Pune. First one was Lakdi Pool, which was constructed by Nanasaheb Peshwa. And this was the second bridge for the convenience of the people. Means connecting Bamburda with Kasba. Pune was known as Kasbe Pune. So that was the reason, and people always used to call as Nawa Pool. Because earlier there was no bridge for them, connecting Bamburda to the old city part. So this is about history of three names. I have also stated you about the characteristics of the construction of this bridge. Now again, the second heritage site is here. This is known as Ghorpade Ghat. This was the construction was completed in 1831. So it is almost 190 years old now. A ghat was the peculiar feature of the then nouveau rich people or the established ones, with kings and sardars and whatever. This was used as a public service, with construction of temples and ghats. That was the common features, and the greatest name in this is Ahilyabai Holkar. She constructed dharamshalas, then Panpoya, water source, and also these ghats and temples all over India from her private income, not from the Indur state, but from her private or privy purse. She used to construct all this, and all over India she has constructed such like. And according to me, the best ghat in India is the ghat constructed by Ahilyabai at Madheshwar. Maheshwar. Ah, the town's name is Maheshwar. It is about 40 kilometers away from Indore. Because Ahilyabai was the ruler of Holkar state, but she was not operating from Indore. She was operating from Maheshwar. And that is, according to me, the best ghat in India. So this is something about Ghorpade Ghat, constructed in 1831. The peculiarities about this ghat, there are two half-round constructions on both parts. And those were used as changing rooms at that time. And you have to take into consideration the then situation of this river. 1831, this bridge was also not there. And it was there were two temples. Of course, generally the temples are of Lord Shiva. Generally on any ghat and all over India, Shiva temples are more in number than any deity. A Shiva temple was there, and ghats were used mainly for three purposes: means washing clothes, bathing, and rituals, religious rituals. तरह के क्रियाकर्म वगैरह हम बोलते हैं वो घाटों पे होते थे. तो ये हर एक कोई भी घाट हो उसकी एक विशेषता तो ये रहती थी कि तीन कामों के लिए घाट के यानी कि कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द घाट हैव बीन देयर. इन पुणे देयर वेर 17 such ghats. Only 2-3 are remaining now, of course in a dilapidated state, but relatively better. Means here Apte Ghat, Nene Ghat are also there. And of course Omkareshwar is also more famous for the ritual part of it. These are the two heritage sites. One is Ghat, one is bridge. And Ghorpade were the Sardars of Peshwas, and they constructed this ghat. But after the end of Peshwa period, which is 1831,